Okay, I'm excited to be unboxing these Skechers foamies.
Cut it up.
I've just bought them a while ago. They have an arch fit, a podiatrist certified arch support, the ultimate comfort solution. Podiatric design saved and sold developed with over 20 years of data. Exciting. With 120,000 unweighted foot scans, designed to mold in my foot, reduce out increase weight dispersion. Now, I've had a very negative experience with a certain brand that looks like this. Of course, I just bought a used model of theirs.
You
But
made
it's
card.
supposed to be lightly, but it has.
Well, you know it's strong. You know they don't want
Or you can
anyone
make it
hard,
into
easy,
and you know it's new.
on
bookmark,
the feet,
because
both
these
on the
haven't been opened
sides
yet.
and at the
Whichever
back.
There
And so
you go.
I'm very excited for these new pair of foamies
We
from
can destroy
Skechers.
you.
And what do we have here?
Here.
I put my
It's okay
my
if
black socks to
there's a
pair
little bit of
with the
excess on the
foamies for
edges.
tomorrow.
At least it's fine with me. I'm not sure about
Headphones.
you. A little bit more perfectionist than I am.
Little manual.
Really look at that. Sometimes
I use this
do treat myself.
already short
I do say so myself.
baton of
A beautiful.
I don't do measurements. Size measurements. I like to go by eye, making sure that the angle.
Well, I think it's pretty straightforward from here on in. Saying
Foamies
packaging,
packaging,
that comfort solution.
It is.
It is
truly at a
machine
90
washable.
that they won't
and
intersect
Pure
in
bass
time.
sound, hand-free calls,
designed
hand-free
to-
cable, and lightweight and foldable design. They have lightweight and foldable.
We want to really crease it.
Look at that.
Form
I think I could actually
Very
fit
flat.
it
as
in my trusty little bag.
packaging suggestions.
Can I?
Let's take this off.
May I?
We use
Beautiful
This.
design
These
over
scissors.
here.
further
With the
crease.
Skechers
It
art
is
stick.
very
hardest
snug.
plastic that I could find.
Small
Hardest plastic.
heel that
So that's a big plus for me, form
sits
factor.
nicely at
Here.
the top, but
How
also
is the
has a little bit of room.
sound?
It's not exactly on the
Throw this
heel
away.
right here.
Doesn't
The
have
art
to be
fit.
perfect,
Delicious.
The gift wrapper.
Little bevels and these poles on the
Not a signature
maximum
collector's item.
utility platform for walking.
Simply just a book.
So as we know,
Size 10
there are
US.
two ways to
20
wear these
inches.
types of shoes.
One of the more difficult parts.
The first one is with the heel
Crease it
on the front.
here.
Release it.
There's still the
from
roll
this.
attached.
Look at a
Look
brand
how-
new shoe. Look at a
Prison.
brand new-
So
Now
sometimes
I
they
feel like I'm wearing platforms.
Of course,
Yeah.
sticker.
It
I
is
am
snug.
scared
It
of
doesn't
that.
have that
Crease
much
the roll
room.
underneath
Look at the
It's
bottom.
very
making
easy.
sure that it
Little
also
divots.
Um,
And no glued
at
on materials or components.
the
That is
heel, the
that is-
design
Oh,
of the shoe
yes.
at the back
That
over
is, the
here
base is
makes it
great.
Very
comfortable
melded.
in
I
the
can
wear, and
feel your
especially
way.
I'm
the
so happy.
ridge
the
I should
on
try
the
these.
middle.
I shouldn't be playing
I
this
think
too
that is what
loud.
they
Show
call
you
the
how
arc sole
I walk.
At
And
15
fit. Yes,
percent
it
in
is
the volume.
definitely an arch.
It's already pretty loud.
It is so
I
nice.
can't hear myself speak.
It's like being massaged
that's-
as you
That's
walk,
good.
and this is already good.
And you really do feel
This
the bass.
is,
This is just
without
new, so let's see
a doubt,
how
and even
robust it will
without
be in
the
a
heel
month
ankle
or a year.
extension strap being utilized, a very serviceable product. If this were just
hard.
a slip-on slipper, I would have been happy. But no, they decided.
Alright,
to
so
give
that
me
was
what
my
I want.
review of the
And let's see
JBL
how.
Q and
let's
500.
walk it up.
Very decent, very
Let's
loud
walk a little
wired
bit
set
here.
of headphones for
You can see that
1,000,
it
2,000
does
pesos.
kind of follow me a little bit with a lag. But that's okay, because the heel of the arch, the kind of mound of the arch, is balancing my center of gravity at the feet. And so I never lose contact. It never feels like I'm clapping with the heel. Only time will tell whether these will give me bruises or not, but so far, the heel strap, rather, is smooth. It's not hard, rock solid rubber. It's actually smooth. And I think it doesn't cause that much friction on my feet the way I like it. I paid good money for this, about 1,000 to 2,000 pesos, and I think I've got every peso's worth. I'll update you in a week whether or not these would hold up after a week of wear and tear. But so far, right now, first impressions, I'm very happy with these. I'm very happy with the product. Hopefully, even if I do have a little blister at the side of my foot here, it wouldn't be able to be affected. Let's just hope for the best. And I'm going to give these shoes, so far, an 8 out of 10. Very impressed by Skechers here.